Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I just need to show you guys how I made some of the most scrumptious, lip smacking lemon butter garlic chicken breast. This is definitely one of my favorite ways to make chicken breast, and I can't wait to show you guys. It's so easy, just stay tuned. First, clean the chicken breast, and you can remove any of those excess white fatty pieces if you want. If you're using thinly sliced chicken breast, then you can skip this step. Otherwise, just follow along with what I'm doing here. I like to use thinly sliced chicken breast for this recipe because it cooks faster and it's just easier to work with. Then sprinkle a thin layer of chicken bouillon seasoning, garlic powder, and black pepper. Then rub it in and do the same thing to the other side. Pour a half cup of flour in a bowl and coat the chicken. Pour a half cup of oil in a pan, let that heat up. Once it's hot, add the chicken and fry it until it's golden brown. While that's cooking, we can start on our side. I'm making the best green beans ever to go with this. First, all you need to do is add a fourth a cup of avocado oil in a pan. Add your trimmed green beans to the pan and toss it in there. This is going to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes total. Towards the end, we'll add the garlic and salt and pepper, but for now, just let this cook as the chicken is cooking. To achieve that golden brown crust on the chicken, let it cook on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. When that's done, put the chicken to the side and drain the oil that's in the pan. Go ahead and leave a like for me, fam, if you appreciate that I got the ingredients for you in the description box. Add the chicken back to the pan so it can get soaked up in all that good flavor. And the chicken and green beans are pretty much done at the same time. Now all we want to do with the green beans is add 8 cloves of minced garlic to the pan, toss it around, and once it becomes fragrant, after about 30 seconds, you could turn off the heat, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, give it a good mix, and these are going to be some of the best green beans you've ever had. Don't forget to add a generous scoop of that sauce over the chicken. Foodie fam, let me know what you think. Does it look good? Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.